Hey there, Emily Muccianti here, and welcome to my new channel, Fort Prep 101. I am a reading specialist, a 30-year veteran educator, a teacher coach, consultant, and mentor, and I am here to help new teachers plan for, prepare for, and pass their Foundations of Reading test, also known as the FORT. Now, this channel is going to be aligned to the 190 version and the 890 version. So if you are a new teacher in California, Connecticut, Iowa, Utah, South Carolina, Maryland, Oklahoma, to mention a few, make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to click the little bell icon down below so that you are notified whenever there is a new video that I upload. In this channel, you are going to receive tips, strategies, advice, and information about upcoming events from Fort Prep 101. So thank you for being here. I'm so happy you found me. I look forward to working with you. Bye for now.